Okay, hello. I'm very glad to have the opportunity today to talk to you about our philanthropic fund, which is a £5 million fund that we launched earlier this year, focused on translational research in rare diseases. So I've just got a few minutes today. I'll give you a bit of background about LifeArc, where we come from, how we find ourselves in a position of being able to offer this funding, and a bit about our tech transfer service offering, as well as a bit more detail on the fund. So we started out providing tech transfer services to the MRC. We established as a separate entity in 2000. We are not-for-profit. We've stayed relatively small. We're under 200 employees, but with a significant R&D spend in excess of 37 million. And since separating off from the MRC as an independent group, we've been expanding our tech transfer services, offering not just to the MRC, but to medical charities also, and expanding our drug discovery groups and the diagnostic development group, which is based in Edinburgh. And more recently, we've launched a number of funds, our philanthropic fund and also a seed fund and a venture fund. And this has been enabled by revenues that we've received on 4 drugs that we helped to develop, which have been on the market now. So these 4 drugs have allowed us to be self-funding. Keytruda, particularly the drug on the right, has provided significant revenue. We did a partial monetization of royalties on that drug and received £115 million that we're projected to receive significant revenue going forwards over the next few years. So we're very pleased that this puts us in a position where we're able to expand our tech transfer offering. We're an experienced group of IP and tech transfer professionals. We have over 25 years experience of providing IP and commercialization advice to the MRC. We have an ongoing strategic relationship with the MRC and also with the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. We interact with those organisations under a service level agreement, but perhaps more of interest to people attending today, we offer these services now on a pro bono basis or on a shared risk or benefit basis as appropriate, and we provide portfolio review services, but also sort of focused advisory services. Since 2012, we've rolled this out to, I think, well in excess of 70 medical charities. So please do come and speak to me today if you think that would be of interest to your charity. And we're very excited that the revenue that we received from Keytruda and from the other drugs that we helped develop has allowed us to launch a £5 million fund to support translational research in the rare disease space. So grants are available to academic researchers who are working to develop therapeutics, diagnostics, or devices. We're fairly agnostic about the particular technology that's being developed, but the focus must be on addressing an unmet need for rare disease patients. We require that the projects build on a sound scientific base and that they have a credible development plan with milestones so we can see the pathway from the stage of development that you're at right to patient benefit. So I'd be very pleased to speak with you today. And we're based in Edinburgh, as I say. I'd be happy to come and meet face to face if you're based in Scotland to discuss any potential projects. We're keen to kind of support as much as required to work these projects up and to get a strong application together. So our aim is that we would be able to support translational research and development right from academic research through to patient benefit with the philanthropic fund in combination with our seed fund and the venture fund also, which is managed by Bridge Valley Ventures. So I'd like to finish just with a bit of a plug for the workshop that we're running in partnership with Findacure next month on translational research. I'd urge you to sign up for that if you're considering at all applying to the philanthropic fund. It's based down in London, but I hope you consider making the journey down there to join us. It'd be great to see you. So more details on our website. Thank you.